Removal of crank with M8 Allen spanner. Use the crank removal tool and spanner to remove the sprocket set. Remove the other side of the crank in the same way. Use the bottom bracket removal tool to remove the bottom bracket. Attach the chainring to the motor with 5 screws. Attach the chainring protection cover to the chainring with the 5 screws. BBSHD. Chainrings do not have a protective cover, so ignore this step. Putting the motor into the bottom bracket. Mounting of motor triangular fixing bracket. Aluminium nut and metal nut. Requires screws and special BAFANG spanner. Install the crank with M8 Allen spanner. Install the crank with M8 Allen spanner on the other side. Install the pedals with wrench on both sides. Installing the chain, cranking the crank to test the bike, drivetrain. Unlocking the battery plate with the battery key. Mounting the battery plate to the bike frame. Only the down tube battery mount is shown here. Mounting the battery on the battery plate and locked with the key. Use the Bullet TX60 conversion cable to connect the XT60 female connector of the battery and the Bullet connector of the motor, respectively. Warning: be sure to connect the positive and negative terminals correctly. Connecting the 1T4 cable to the motor. Installation of the speed sensor base and fixing with cable tie. Mounting the speed sensor to the base. Attach the magnets to the spokes of the wheel and screw them in place. Retractable structure keeps the distance between the speed sensor and the magnet at about 2 mm. Reinforcement of the speed sensor with screws. Connect the speed sensor cable and tighten the nut. Remove the left bicycle, handlebar, grip and brake lever. Install the bicycle handlebar grips, brake handle and thumb throttle in turn and secure them. Connecting thumb throttle and 1T4 cable, securing display and display controller with screws. Connecting display cable and 1T4 cable. Stick the brake sensors on the hydraulic brake levers. Video example of brake sensors installation. Stick the magnet to one side of the 3M double-sided sticker and stick the other side next to the speed sensor. Install the brake sensor on the other side in the same way. Separate the two brake sensors and 1T4 cable connection. Use screws to attach the headlight to the front of the bike. Video example of fork brace mounting. Connect the positive, red cable, of the headlight to the black-white cable of the motor. Connect the negative headlight, black cable, to the motor's all-black cable. Long press the plus button on the display controller to switch on the headlights. After confirming that the battery switch is switched on and that all cables are correctly connected, long press the display's power button for 3 seconds to switch on the display and test that the motor is working properly. If the display motor does not work or an error is reported, please contact us on Amazon for a solution. Thanks for watching and enjoy your e-bike.